Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video we will learn that how to change the units in AutoCAD workspace. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. So in order to change the units setting in AutoCAD, as you can see here in the status bar in the main window of the AutoCAD, here this is the current or drawing units. So when you click on this drop down button menu, so you will see that here is the decimal units is active. You can change to architectural, or you can change to engineering, or you can change to fractional or scientific. So depending on the requirements and your interest, so you can change the units in the AutoCAD workspace. And if you want to change the units in the dimensions, so you will, from the home, you have to go to the annotate, and in the annotate you will go to the dimensions category, and in this button when you click, so this small dialog box will open, and here you can modify. We'll click on the modify, and then we'll go to the primary units. Here you can change the units of the dimension. So when you click on this drop down menu, so these are the different options to change the units to scientific or decimal or engineering or architecture or professional or Windows install. So depending on the requirements, you can change the units of the dimensions from here. So this was all about that, how to change the units. And now if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. And thank you for watching this video.